Did you know that sometimes those awful smells coming from inside your car are actually trying to tell you something? Let's put our staff to the smell test. What does it smell like to you?
Honey.
It smells like breakfast.
It smells like maple syrup. If you smell that in your car, there could be a few things that could be. It's probably an antifreeze leak. And if you smell it inside your car while you're driving, it may be a heater core leaking. You may notice steaming on your window. If you smell it outside the car after you've been driving, you may have an external leak on your motor. So it's something you definitely need to have looked at right away.
What does it smell like to you?
Why? What's in it?
Just smell it.
I don't even want to tell you what that smells like.
Oh, it smells like rotten eggs. If you smell this in your car, usually it means your car isn't running 100%. It's usually running a little bit rich, and it'll end up, your catalytic converter will convert it into sulfur, which gives you the rotten egg smell. Another reason to get your car in right away and have it looked at, because you're wasting a lot of fuel.
What does it smell like to you?
Oh, like an ashtray.
Oh, it smells like someone lit a garbage dump on fire.
Oh, that smells like burnt carpet. If you smell burnt carpet in your car or a burnt smell like that, usually it means your brakes are overheated. If it's from a panic stop or if you're towing a big trailer and you had to stop fast, it may be normal, but if you smell it in regular driving, you probably have a brake that's hanging up or you have your park brake left on. If you have a standard, it could even be from the clutch, so you need to get it checked out.